I'm looking out my window right now. Do you hear that sound? They say that rain is like confetti from the sky. Without rain, nothing grows. So learn to embrace the rainy days of your life. Rain, rain, go away. Come back when you know the first sound. Yes, right there. Rain. What about the second sound? Number 2. Well, here's the thing. There's actually 3 ways of spelling the sound A. We did this one yesterday, so not it. And then there were 2. Which one do you think spells the sound A in rain? Nope, I'm sorry. This one is used only if A is the last sound of the word. But in the word rain, there's another sound after A. So the sound A is actually in the middle of the word. Let's go for this one. Got it. And got it. What about number 4? A. Yes, back to the yellow ones. This is the part that I want you to remember. And the reason why it's AI instead of AY, it's because there was another letter after the sound A. Okay, one more time. A. Rain. Today I am going to use stickers to make the important part stand out. Rain. Let's sound it out together. A. And that, my friends, is how you spell A in the middle of a word. AI. Thanks for watching.